In this video, we're going to learn how to solve for x using the full algebraic process. So before we get into that algebraic process, it's good to remember the 3 golden rules of algebra. So the first is you're going to follow this order from left to right. Second is when you cancel out an operation, to do that, you're going to perform the inverse of that operation. And third, you are done when the variable is fully isolated. Now let's get into that order from left to right. So you're going to start from the left and go all the way to the right, and then you're going to be done when the variable is fully isolated, and that would be where x equals some number. So first, you're going to find the separator, and then you're going to cut the equation in half and separate it into 2 sides. Then you're going to move on, and you're going to eliminate parentheses using the distributive property. Once you have eliminated all parentheses, you're going to combine the like terms. And so any terms that are alike, you're going to combine them and make sure that you get them on the same side of the separator. So once you've done that, now you can move into the canceling out process where you're going to cancel out using inverses, but you got to remember to do it in this order. So the first thing you're going to cancel out is whole side operators, and that's going to look something like this right here. And the rule to a whole side operator is that it must cover an entire side of the equation. So let's look at an example that is a whole side operator and one that's not. So let's look at this equation right here, and in this one, this 4 here is a whole side operator because 4 divides the whole side right there. This one right here, this x over 6 is not a whole side operator because 6 divides only x, and it needs to divide the whole side to be whole side operator. And see here, we still got this plus 5 just hanging out, so that 6 would just be considered division. So once you've canceled out all whole side operators, you're going to move forward and you're going to cancel out any addition or subtraction. Once you've canceled that out, move on. You're going to cancel out any multiplication or division. And your last step here is you're going to cancel out any exponents, which would look like that, or any roots. And once you have done that, you should be right here where x equals some number, and you have finished the algebraic process.